English tenses. Lesson number 3. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to express actions or events that started in the past and have a relevance to the present. It emphasizes the result or the ongoing impact of an action. The tense is formed using the auxiliary verb have in different forms, along with the past participle of the main verb. In positive sentences, we use the auxiliary verb have for I, you, we, they, or has for he, she, it, followed by the past participle of the main verb. Examples: I have visited Paris twice. She has read that book. They have finished their homework. We have lived in this city for 5 years. The team has won the championship. In negative sentences, we use the auxiliary verb have not or has not before the past participle of the main verb. Examples: I haven't seen that movie yet. He hasn't traveled abroad. They haven't completed the project. She hasn't eaten sushi before. We haven't received any updates. In question sentences, we invert the subject and the auxiliary verb have for I, you, we, they, or has for he, she, it, and place the past participle of the main verb after the subject. Examples: Have you ever been to London? Has she finished her presentation? Have they watched the latest episode? Has he played that video game before? Have we received any messages? To summarize, the present perfect tense is used to discuss past actions or events that have a connection to the present. Positive sentences use have or has with the past participle of the main verb, negative sentences use have not or has not, and question sentences invert the subject and the auxiliary verb. By mastering the present perfect tense, you'll be able to express past experiences and their impact on the present. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.